Some of these unhealthy behaviors are survival techniques that worked when you were young. And so now what was a survival technique has become a defect of my character.
But right underneath that is the most important part of it that you and I understand, which is that it worked until it didn't. I overheard at the gas station this mom telling her son, "You'll speak when spoken to." And there's a concept of it of like, I think people believe that that's one way to teach respect to a child, right? But with if we're going to take the pulse, which we do in this segment, the pulse of the U.S. is such that an older generation struggled to talk about their feelings and their experiences, so much so that massive shame stigmas made their way into political policy.
Right.
And then we have younger generations that are saying, hey, we just want hope, right? We just want hope. And I hear something like that at the gas station, and I see somebody maybe caught in between the new age and the old age. And it made me think of this silver tsunami. People slammed in the middle trying to take care of all the generations while losing their mind. Because think of the beat of the pulse as you guys are listening through is the parent who tells their child, you speak when spoken to, learned that lesson from their parents. So now when they need to speak up and tell the parent, hey, I'm kind of noticing some of these things are off. Well, they weren't spoken to. The parent didn't ask them their opinion. They don't want their opinion. You will speak when spoken to. So now they're ingrained in a place of shame, can't call out the known behaviors that are causing problems. So they create some kind of narrative, which further entrenches that older individual in behaviors that they get away with.
Sure.
Right. And one of the ways it was always presented to me is like, here's this nice wrapped gift, and it's all of the trauma that none of us ever wanted to work on, and we're going to give it to you.